This Woodford Y34 yard hydrant has been leaking between the rod and packing nut all summer. But now winter is coming, and I need to get it fixed before freezing temperatures arrive. I tried the simplest thing first, just tightening the packing nut. This will often fix this type of leak, but in my case, it just slowed it down to barely a trickle. It is still leaking though, so now I've got to remove the packing nut and replace the O-ring below it. Start by shutting off the water source to the hydrant. This hydrant is downhill from the house, so I've got it open to drain all the water from the line. Once the water stops, use a 1/2-inch wrench to remove the nut and bolt at the top. Pull the handle out and let it rest here. Get a 3/8 wrench and loosen the bolt, securing the handle to the rod. Lift the handle off the rod and set it aside. Use a 3/4-inch wrench to loosen and remove the packing nut. You may need to use a pipe wrench on the hydrant head for extra leverage. With the packing nut removed, you may find a damaged or cracked O-ring. In my case, it came out in very small pieces, and I had to use picks to dig it all out. Once the old O-ring is out, add some waterproof grease to the rod and slide the new O-ring down. I'm gently pressing the O-ring into the threads with a flat blade screwdriver. Put the packing nut back on and tighten until it's barely snug. Slide the handle back over the rod and secure it with the nut and bolt at the top. Then tighten the bolt, holding the handle to the rod. Turn the water source back on, then open the hydrant valve by raising the handle to check for leaks. I've got good flow at the hose, and not even a drop of water from the packing nut. Nice. Ready for winter.